It was 30 years ago.
Ready? Go. Hey guys, here's the pizza dough. Remember we did this last year? It was last year. So I did double fermentation. That's the new recipe. It's fantastic. I mean, it makes the dough super light. I mean, it is super light. I mean, it is ridiculous. As you can see right here, we just finished one right now. I'm doing a quick small little pizza, personal pizza, more or less. I mean, look how thin I can get this. It's so pliable. It is fantastic. See, look at that. It's fantastic. It's just doing great. So, push this aside, move this guy over. Let's do a little bit of red sauce. You know, the marinara sauce, the recipe I showed you guys. Same one right here. Spread this along here. And, you know, it's summertime, so fresh tomatoes, you got to get them, you got to do them. We do a little Parmesan. I do my little Parmesan, Pecorino Romano, a little Gouda blend right here. Gonna go in with some salsicce, beautiful Italian sweet and spicy sausage. Gonna go with some wonderful pepperoni and put these guys down right now. And then we're gonna go in I did some roasted, beautiful roasted peppers you can see here. Some roasted peppers. So I did these guys, so see they're roasted. You just kind of take the top off and you rip them in half, lay them down like that. Do a couple more. Super flavorful. Really, really wonderful. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit it with a little goat cheese as well. Here's some goat cheese. This is one of my newest favorite goat cheese. Here, let me get the brand for you. Right here. It's a wonderful goat cheese. So I'm gonna grab this clump right here. Has a beautiful olive oil as well. It's like a lemon olive oil. A little goat cheese on here, a little bit more. You know, you can't have enough goat cheese. And then here we go here. Look at that, gorgeous, right? Hit it up with a little bit of mozzarella, fresh mozzarella that we grated today. And this is gonna take 90 seconds because the oven is about 185, 125 roughly. So it's gonna take about that much time. So let me clean my hands real quick. Make sure that's everything I want in there. Ooh, maybe a little bit of pepperoncinis. So little pepperoncinis right here. Put a little more in there. Look how gorgeous that looks. Looks fantastic. A little more right here. Okay, that's ready to roll. Ready to roll. Gonna get this guy in here real quick. Slide it down. 90 seconds. Look at that. Working out great. I just did one right here just a few moments ago. This one is sausage, sun-dried tomatoes, a little bit of goat cheese as well. Just 90 seconds and it's done, right? So let me get the plate. Get this guy up here real quick. Get this guy right on the tray right here. Let me take a look to see how this guy's doing. Oh, that's looking really good, really nice. I'm gonna move it around. Let me check the temperature real quick. So what I do with the temperature, I have this laser temperature right here. It's a little gun. Right now it's 0. It's gonna go in the front. 486. We're gonna go in the back where the pizza is. 796. It's a really great temperature. It doesn't cook too fast. It's about 90 minutes or 90 seconds more or less to 120. Let me go ahead and grab this guy real quick. Show it to you. I'm going to put it in for another, say, 15 seconds. Right there. Move it around a little bit. You can count down, you know, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's ready to go. Here we go. Boom. Hit the top for a sec. Here it comes bubbling. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? So we're gonna put it right here. Put this down here. Put this on the tray in a second. Oh, look at that. Listen to that crust. Just a beautiful, crunchy crust. Ready to go, rock and roll. Here we go. Get it all in there. Boom. Buon appetito. Peace.